Lawmakers questioned the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR over the endorsements of content creators for online gambling platforms. This is among the issues raised when PAGCOR faced the House budget deliberations earlier today. Earl Tobias has the report.
Following PAGCOR's crackdown on the proliferation of massive billboards promoting online gambling, the agency and several lawmakers are now raising concerns over content creators who endorse online gambling without proper regulation.
Ivana Alawi, mamimigay ng 100 iPhone 17 pero hindi pala kusang ibibigay yun. Dapat ikaw muna ay mag-subscribe o mag-like doon sa isang online gaming platform.
PAGCOR Chairman Alejandro Tenco said the online gambling endorser was hit with a 1 million peso penalty and warned that repeated violations could lead to suspension.
Ang isang online endorser tulad ni Ivana. Okay. Sa harap ninyo at sasagutin ko pong hindi po sila himingi ng permiso.
But Altenco said the bigger problem is that many of the online gambling sites endorsed by Filipino content creators are actually operating illegally and that PAGCOR has already filed cases against some of them.
At ang masama po rito, wala po sa Pilipinas sila. Sila po ay nasa abroad na gumagamit ng mga influencers na mga kababayan natin.
This is among the issues that were raised when PAGCOR faced the House Committee on Appropriations today, presenting their 2026 and 2027 income allocation plans. PAGCOR, as a revenue-generating agency, is mandated to allocate their income to social programs and nation building. One of their biggest plan is to use their revenue to build classrooms in partnership with DepEd, but a House leader issued caution on this move.
Makikita ng mga kabataan na yung pala school building gawa ng PAGCOR galing sa sugal ng online, tataya kami. Siguro, pag-aralan natin ito. Baka sakaling mas magandang evacuation center na lang ang ipagawa natin sa mga typhoon-prone area na talaga namang kailangan ngayon at binanggit ito ng ating Pangulo during SONA.
Following the shutdown of POGOs, PAGCOR's projected revenue also declined. For 2026, the agency expects to earn around 87 billion pesos, down from their 106 billion pesos income recorded in 2025. PAGCOR said this is an effect to the government's mandate to delink online e-wallets from online gambling sites, preventing them from being easily used for gambling. Earl Tobias, IBC News.